Fire up your grill and get ready to upgrade your barbecue game. Top 5 stainless steel grill baskets that make grilling easier, cleaner, and more delicious. From vegetables to seafood and juicy meats, these picks are built for perfect results every time. The product links are in the description below, and let us get started with the video. At number 1 on our list is the Ivtivfu Rolling Grill Basket, a premium stainless steel grilling accessory designed for both backyard barbecues and outdoor adventures. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, this rolling grill basket delivers exceptional durability, safety, and long-lasting performance. The wire mesh gauge and reinforced front and back plates are noticeably thicker than standard grill baskets, giving it superior heat resistance and strength, while the mirror-polished finish ensures effortless cleaning after every grilling session. One of its standout features is the removable beechwood handle, which not only adds a refined, natural look, but also provides excellent grip and reliable heat insulation. The threaded connection and reinforced attachment points keep the handle firmly secured, allowing you to rotate and control the basket with confidence over high heat. The innovative nesting design makes storage and transportation incredibly convenient, as the smaller basket fits neatly inside the larger one, with handles and accessories stored inside to save space in your kitchen cabinet, car trunk, or camping bag. Its cylindrical shape allows food to roll smoothly while grilling, ensuring even heat distribution and perfectly cooked vegetables, shrimp, seafood, and bite-sized meat pieces without the risk of falling through the grates. Whether you're hosting a family barbecue, enjoying a picnic, or camping with friends, this grill basket transforms grilling into a simple and enjoyable experience. With its thoughtful design, sturdy construction, and elegant packaging, the Ivtivfu Rolling Grill Basket also makes an ideal gift for barbecue enthusiasts who value quality, convenience, and professional grilling results. Taking the second spot is the Vencino 3-pack grill basket, a versatile and heavy-duty stainless steel grilling solution designed for those who love cooking multiple foods at the same time. This 3-pack set includes 1 large grill basket and 2 smaller baskets, making it easy to organize your grill surface and prepare vegetables, seafood, and meats simultaneously. Crafted from thick, premium stainless steel, each basket is built to sit firmly on the grill without warping, even under high heat, while its rust-proof construction ensures long-term durability for repeated outdoor use. The raised edges are carefully designed to keep food securely inside, preventing vegetables or smaller ingredients from slipping through the grates, while the small perforations allow heat and rich smoky barbecue flavor to circulate freely for perfectly grilled results. Wide, curved handles provide excellent control when lifting, tossing, or repositioning the baskets, giving grill lasters confidence and precision throughout the cooking process. These baskets are perfectly sized to fit most grills and smokers, making them compatible with popular grill brands while also doubling as grill trays or wok-style pans for added versatility. Cleanup is refreshingly simple, as the smooth, polished stainless steel surface can be cleaned easily with a scouring pad, or placed directly into the dishwasher for maximum convenience. Whether you're preparing a family feast or hosting a backyard barbecue, this grill basket set helps you grill more efficiently while serving everyone with ease. With years of trusted performance and positive feedback from barbecue enthusiasts, the Vencino 3-pack grill basket stands out as a reliable, practical, and professional-grade grilling accessory. Next on our list is the Shizzo Grill Basket Set, a complete stainless steel grilling solution designed for barbecue lovers who want professional results with maximum convenience. Built from high-quality stainless steel, this rectangular grill basket delivers even heat distribution, allowing you to grill meats, seafood, vegetables, and even sweet treats with consistent and delicious results every time. What truly sets this set apart is its all-in-one value, as it includes not only a spacious grill basket, but also stainless steel skewers, a basting brush, and a portable carrying case, making it perfect for backyard barbecues, camping trips, and outdoor cookouts away from home. The grill basket features a long handle combined with a secure locking mechanism, allowing you to flip and handle food safely without spills or food waste, even when grilling over high heat. Its deep and roomy grilling tray measures 12 by 9.5 by 1.5 inches, providing enough space to grill thick steaks, burgers, seafood, and vegetables all at the same time without overcrowding. Despite its solid construction, the basket remains lightweight and easy to maneuver, giving you full control throughout the grilling process. The rust-free stainless steel build ensures long-lasting durability, while the smooth surface makes cleanup effortless, whether you choose to rinse it by hand or place it directly into the dishwasher for maximum convenience. Designed for ease, safety, and versatility, the Shizzo Grill Basket Set delivers a smoother and more enjoyable grilling experience season after season, making it a reliable choice for anyone who takes pride in mastering the grill. At number 4, the Grillaholics Vegetable Grill Basket earns its place as a rugged and reliable stainless steel grilling essential grill built for serious outdoor cooking. Designed with ease of use in mind, this grill basket features a wide and sturdy base that stays firmly in place on the grill, eliminating the frustration of rolling or unstable baskets. It's ideal for grilling vegetables, chicken wings, kebabs, small cuts of meat, fish, and more, while still delivering that rich, smoky char flavor every grill enthusiast loves. Constructed from heavy-duty, thick-gauge, food-grade stainless steel, this basket is engineered to withstand intense heat without warping, bending, or degrading over time. The triple reinforced corner brackets add exceptional strength and durability, ensuring long-lasting performance season after season, even with frequent high-temperature grilling. Its extra-large cooking surface, combined with angled deep well sides, allows you to prepare generous, family-sized portions in a single batch, reducing grill time and making it easier to serve everyone at once. Cleanup is refreshingly simple, as the open design avoids awkward lids or hard-to-reach corners found in many other grill baskets. You can soak it in hot soapy water and wipe it clean with ease, or place it directly into the dishwasher for maximum convenience. Backed by the Grillaholics promise, this vegetable grill basket offers confidence, durability, and practical design, making it a reliable choice for anyone who takes pride in mastering the grill. Rounding out the list at number 5 is the Kuqihug Rolling Grill Basket, a modern and versatile stainless steel grilling tool designed to elevate both backyard barbecues and outdoor camping cookouts. Made entirely from premium food-grade 304 stainless steel, this rolling grill basket offers excellent resistance to heat, rust, and deformation, ensuring reliable performance even during intense grilling sessions. The sturdy steel mesh is noticeably stronger than standard designs, helping food cook evenly while staying securely contained inside the basket. The round rolling design supports full 360-degree rotation, allowing heat and flame to circulate evenly around vegetables, seafood, and bite-sized meat pieces for consistent and flavorful results. The detachable oval wooden handle provides a comfortable grip and effective heat insulation, giving you greater control when turning and positioning the basket on the grill. A well-fitted lid keeps food protected and prevents ingredients from spilling out during rotation, making grilling smoother and more enjoyable. Cleanup is quick and stress-free thanks to the fully open snap-on structure, which allows the basket and handle to be separated easily and cleaned thoroughly from every angle with no hidden corners. Whether you're hosting a relaxed family barbecue or grilling outdoors with friends on a camping trip, this rolling grill basket proves to be a dependable companion that enhances both convenience and cooking performance. With its thoughtful design, sturdy construction, and elegant packaging, the Kuqihug rolling grill basket also makes an ideal gift for grill lovers who enjoy showing off their skills and serving perfectly grilled food at every barbecue gathering.